the next item to consider if you need a quick home sale, and that is how to make a house more appealing with light. Natural lighting automatically makes a space look more appealing, and as you can see with this example, there's plenty of natural lighting. Your home can be enhanced by opening blinds, pulling back curtains and pull them way back, and cleaning the windows as we just talked about. And you might also notice in this example that artificial lighting upgrades can pay off in a substantial way. The walls have been painted a very light color, which allows the flooring to stand out. You might also notice the two floor lamps behind the dining room table right there. The tabletop is glass, which reflects light, and you'll see that here in just a second. See there? And the two mirrors in that space reflect even more light. There's a chandelier as well as recessed lighting in the ceiling, which is fairly easy to add to any home. I've done it to mine. And when we add glass tabletops and mirrors, it captures the natural light and allows that light to move around the room and not be absorbed by any dark surfaces. All this adds value in a buyer's mind, and they're willing to pay more for a house with good light. Now, for most of the clients that I work with, we add more lighting than we think we need, and then it ends up being just perfect. All right. Now, before we get on to the next item on the best ways to market your home to sell, which we'll talk about next,